Hello, it is Thursday, January 12th, 2012 at 1:51 a.m. Central Standard Time. And we have snake clouds appearing both in Texas and in the Gulf of Mexico. First, I wanted to show you this series coming over Fort Hood here. They're kind of a hooked variety that I've only actually seen once before. Not saying they haven't showed up more than that, but that's how many I've caught. Let's go look at the next rad loop of that. I've got it up here. Things are running slowly tonight. There they come. The loop of Texas that I just showed you goes from 4:57 to 7:41 UTC on January 12th. You can see these just kind of, they don't like, well, they are moving in, but they grow as they go over Fort Hood here. This going backwards. See, they kind of start as a blob right here. So when we first see them, and then see they grow. It's kind of like those little snake things that you used to get in fireworks, you know, that the little kids could play with. And then they get hooks on them. I'm not sure what's making the hooks, almost like they're running into something. And actually they're little hot spots here at the tip. So, and I'll let it play one through one more time, because then they just kind of disappear off the radar too quickly. Yeah, they almost, yeah, let's look at that. So it picks up, it goes up into the 16 range as it goes over the Doppler, it looks like, or just before it gets there, and then they just dissipate. So that's, they do the same thing here, they just disappear all of a sudden. These three Dopplers are acting up too, but I want to do the snake clouds first. We also have down here by Mobile, Alabama, we've got them rising up out of the Gulf. This loop goes from 4:47 to 7:31 UTC. And actually there's a big blob that shows up here too all of a sudden. So let's go look at Mobile. I found a new place to get that to pop up. Should make things easier. Well, maybe if it, there it goes. Everything's running very slowly tonight. I need to reboot my computer, I think. Oh, there's a hot spot right here. Yep, it's putting off the... Let's step through it here. See, they start right here as a little hot spot. Here's a little pink hot spot. Let's go look at that. Those move away, and the snake clouds are actually forming right in front of them. These two hot spots. So I have to zoom out here. And they go off the radar, and there's a big blob here that grows. I'm going to zoom back out and run it through one more time for you. And let's go look at Eglin Air Force Base. Well, it looks like, yeah, they continue on through. The ones from Mobile are coming into here. Although that was the end of the loop, so they're kind of moving off into Tallahassee. I'm going to zoom in. It's hard to see where they're coming from and where they're going. Here we got this going backwards. A little hot spot. It's a little spot and it actually explodes out. See that? And then right after that, we get all these rising up. I'm going to zoom in closer. So here's where that thing comes exploding out. I went back, now we're going forward again. And after that, that's when all the little, oh, there's two explosions, it looks like. And there's another one that explodes out right here. So going back. Yep, here's this one, starts right there. And the second explosion starts down here. So the first one started right here, and this one started right over here. And after those have moved off, then it starts rising up around in this area. Center of the Doppler is right here. And it starts over. Let me go ahead and just let it play through. And let's go look at Tallahassee too while we're looking. Now Eglin, where Eglin Air Force Base is right here. So it almost looks like that explosion's coming out right here. I can't tell where the snakes are growing from. They just seem to kind of come right out of here. They sure are long ones here. I'll go ahead and play it through. It starts at 4 and goes through 7:51 UTC. Starts at 4:30, it looks like. And let's go look at Houston real quick. We'll actually start at Corpus Christi. I've got another thing uploading, is partly why it's so slow, but it's just really slow tonight. Houston has the same thing. We got this cloud thing moving through. I don't know if you can see it. We've got the hot spots out here over the Gulf. And I think these are wind farms. We've got two areas of energy on either side of the Doppler, which is the same thing. We saw that at Dodge City before also. Let's go look at I don't know, this takes a while. Okay, there we go. Houston. That was Corpus Christi we just looked at. I didn't say it. Oh, it's so slow. And see here we're getting that cloud again. And after that cloud moves through, or whatever that line of yellow is, then we get a beam that shoots out. And it seems to be picking up energy from over here or something. It's, see right there, and over here to the right and the left again. But we don't have any like energy sources that stay lit up like we just saw at Corpus Christi. Okay, I'm going to Lake Charles, Louisiana. This is going to be long again. Oh dear. This one's in precipitation mode is why it's blue. Oh, there it switches over to clear mode. And then again we still got that yellow cloud moving through. And it doesn't seem to be coming from out here. It seems to be just growing right to the, either at the Doppler or, no, just to the northwest of it. So anyway, there you have it. More snake clouds. God bless you. Have a good rest of the night.